welcome back to MaiMoments, and today I'm gonna show you how to put a wig on. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be tight, it's gonna be perfect. And not only, if you are getting to fight, I'm pretty sure that your real hair going to fall off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair in a Dutch braid, and if I was not clear enough, you can check out my video that I dedicated how to do a Dutch braid. But for today, I'm just going to swing by because the most important part is how to put the wig on. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm ready. So now we are going to divide our hair in half, like this. In order to help my baby hair to stay down, I use this gel right here. And I'm going to use a hair tie to tie my hair to get this part out the way. And I'm going to work on this side only. So what we're going to do is a Dutch braid.
First step, we are going to grab a section, divide by 3. The left strings will be tucked under in between those two hair, and the right will be also tucked under between those two hair. And do it again. Now it's adding a string whenever you tucking under, and then keep doing that until you are satisfied. Make sure everything that you are grabbing has to be really closely to your scalp in order to have a very tight braid that you want to look perfect. I want to apologize for the autofocus. It seemed like it did not pick up the view as I wanted to. But if you are wanting to learn how to do a Dutch braid 101, there is a video that dedicates for that portions, and it's much better view and it's very clear. So go ahead and check that out if you want to learn how. But during this stage, we are trying to learn what is the best method to actually put a wig on. So in this process, I'm going to fly by. Make sure that you are going to try to even out the portions whenever you're grabbing a section of hair. That's definitely going to help a lot creating a better braid. And I cannot stress this enough, is that you have to have tight braid in order to make sure this is going to be perfect. So at this stage, you're probably asking me, what should I do? Should I collect it all? Yes, collect all the hair, and it's becoming the basic braid, which is the 3-string braid. And then just try to braid it all the way toward the end, because we are going to secure it with an elastic. Just in case if you have no idea what is a 3-string braid, so divide your hair in 3. The left sections will go under and the right section will go under. Repeat that process until you are going to meet toward the end, and just go ahead and secure it with a rubber band, elastic, whatever you have to make sure it hold it in place. On my left side, so grab a section, divide by 3, and start your 3 basic string braid. Once you are ready, then whenever you tuck under a sections of hair, make sure to add a hair in that similar size. So for example, if you are tucked under the right side of strings, then make sure you are adding the right side add-on. And then if you are working on the left side strings of hair, then adding more on the left side. I hope that's making a lot of sense. So if you are using this video to learn how to Dutch braid, I would not recommend it because it's not the best footage that I have done. So make sure to check out my other video because it's way better quality, and I also break it down in more detail. So once again, I'm going to fast this forward because we are going to focus on the next stage. So this is the part that we've been waiting for, and OMG, was that long, right? And so now we are going to twist it. What it's going to do is going to shape our hair to be even, and then we are going to create a twist again, and I'm just pulling back and forth just to make sure it's tightened, secure in place with a bobby pin. And I'm probably going to add like about 4 or sometimes 5, even 6 if I just want the extra secure. and then I'm just going to tuck all those baby hair, as you can see on the side, under, just to make sure it's flattened, and I just don't want it to be poking out anywhere because that's not going to look pretty. So it should look closely to this, and here we go, is even out. That is your goal. So here's the grand finale, and I'm so excited to put it on. As you can see that I'm running through with my finger just to detangle. Inside the wig is really cool looking, which is very breathable. So yes, it does get hot, but you still able to breathe, you know. And there's like a bra straps. This is going to help you secure so your wig will not fall off whatsoever. So I found the best method to actually put it on is to bend down, flip your hairs, and actually going to apply that way. Then what is best is actually going to put the straps on after. This is going to help me secure, so whenever I'm flipping my hair backward, nothing is going to shift, nothing is going to move. And this is the time that we are going to fix our bang because it's going wild and we're looking like a wild monkey right here. I found out that whenever you're flipping your hair backward, make sure that you are going to do it gently because it's going to get so wildly tangled if you're not careful. And apparently I have a hard time to secure it, as you can see, but trying to pull the hair back, and also now is the time to fix basically every string. There is so much tangle going on, but run through your fingers and be patient and don't use a brush whatsoever.
So you can see it's perfectly around, and I really enjoyed the bang because like I don't have bangs. All my hair grew out, so I don't have bangs, so this is very interesting to me. So for this kind of hair, especially if it's curl, don't brush it through with your brushes. It will not give you a perfect curl anymore. So like this, if you see it's tangled, just grab a section, loop it like this, and it will be normal again. But don't use a brush to brush it through. Oh my gosh, it's going to be crazy and you're probably going to trash the product. Unless you want straight hair, then buy another one. And what else? This is not real hair, so whatsoever, you cannot really use heat on it. It will not straighten your hairs, it will not curl. It's synthetic, I believe. I will link the information below. And I bought this from AliExpress. I have no association with the seller at all. So you can buy all you want, and if you don't want to buy it, don't offend me at all. But I really enjoyed this wig right here. If you're looking for a $20–$30 wig and you don't want to spend like $100, this is definitely a way to go. It does have a lot of other colors. I really enjoyed the ombre blue and silver and also purple. And the length is pretty long, you guys. I'm surprised. Look at this. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Comment below on what you want to see next. Give this video a thumb up to tell me what I did. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.